I'm Safoa of I am here today to talk about eating more healthy in a way that's quick and easy. I know a lot of times we think, I don't want to stand around cutting a whole bunch of vegetables and I'm hungry now, so I think this is going to take the whole day and I just want to order in. I'm here to show you a way to do it so that it's quick and easy. Today we're going to have salmon, some vegetables. This is kale, carrots, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts. We have some brown rice back here in our rice cooker. Start off with your sheet pan and parchment paper. If you use parchment paper, it's biodegradable and it makes your sheet pan a lot easier to clean. So put a little bit of oil on your sheet pan. Put your piece of salmon on the sheet pan. I like to score it. Cut most of the way through it. It's easier to deal with later on when you take it out of the oven. Season it with a little bit more olive oil. I have salt, a little bit of pepper, and I like paprika. It gives it a nice color. So we're going to preheat our oven to 350. It's important to preheat your oven and make sure that it reaches the temperature that you want it to be before you put the food inside. So our salmon is all ready. It's nice and seasoned. Our oven is at 350 and we're going to put it in our oven for about 12 minutes. Now we're going to season our vegetables. The great thing about this is you can buy all of these as is. You can buy kale already cut up, buy baby carrots, grape tomatoes, and you can also buy Brussels sprouts that have already been cut in half. All we have to do is season them with some oil, add a little salt and pepper. I love paprika on my Brussels sprouts. And then we can put this in the oven also at 350 or even at 375. This will take about 15 or so minutes to cook to the desired doneness. For our dinner, I'm going to set the timer for about 12 minutes. Okay, so our salmon and veggies are ready. It's been 12 minutes. Let's take it out. Looks great, doesn't it? So as I mentioned, I scored the salmon earlier. So now I'm going to cut on the score. Next thing we're going to do is add our rice. Nice and steamy, came out perfect. Going to add our vegetables. Now the great thing about veggies is that we can eat as much of these as we want to. Excellent. You can take a nice piece of lemon and squeeze some lemon juice over our salmon. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more healthy dinner tips.